It's not just a test, but provides accurate and consistent analysis. That's the greatest advantage of our solution.
Hi, my name is Jay. I am an engineer at Stratasys. For those who don't know who Stratasys is, we're a 3D printing company. We've been in the business for about 20 years. And today I'm here based in center of Gangnam, which is in Seoul, South Korea. This is right next to Shin-Nonhyun Station. It's a very busy area. And what's really cool is we have a customer right in the heart of Gangnam that is using 3D printing today and a very advanced software technology that I'd like to show you for making clear aligners. It could take a few minutes. Let's go check out their lab. Welcome to DDH. This is the lab I was telling you about downstairs. Today I'm going to get my teeth scanned and then they'll 3D print them and actually produce the clear aligners and we'll see the whole process. So let's check it out. Hello.
Hi.
I'm Jay from Stratasys. How are you?
Fine, good.
Good. Very nice lab you have there.
DDH's clear aligner process is so easy that a patient can walk into the office and spend less than 30 minutes to get a full diagnosis and treatment. There are 3 data acquisition steps in order to collect, classify, and diagnose each patient. The first step is to take an X-ray to create a cephalogram. Orthodontists use this X-ray to detect important anatomical landmarks on hard tissue and soft tissue, which ultimately allows them to classify the patient's facial skeleton. They then use an image-based 3D scanner to take an external scan of the patient's facial structure. This step is necessary for pre-treatment analysis as well as to ensure that post-treatment the patient's facial structure is not aesthetically affected. The final imaging step is the intraoral scan. A dental hygienist, technician, or assistant will use an intraoral 3D scanner to create a 3D model of the patient's teeth and gums. This is essential for designing and creating patient-specific orthodontic appliances. A full orthodontic diagnosis can be made with these 3 data sets alone. Next is where the magic happens. By utilizing DDH's web-based software called SEPRO, an orthodontist can easily upload a patient's data, and the software uses an AI technology to instantaneously detect key landmarks in the patient's facial structure. The AI computation has proven to have higher accuracy and repeatability in landmark detection as compared to manual detection by orthodontists. Then comes the design process where clinical know-how and a high level of expertise is required to create the step-by-step tooth movements of the treatment plan. This process relies heavily on an accurate diagnosis and treatment plan which is created by SEPRO software. Orthodontists are also important to inspect and approve all of the processes. After the step-by-step tooth movement CAD models have been created, the 3D printing process begins. DDH is using a Stratasys Eden 260 VS printer because of the high dimensional accuracy and good surface finish of the printed models. These models will become the mold for the vacuum-formed clear aligners, and if the model is not printed accurately, the treatment plan will not work. Next comes the thermoforming process. A thin sheet of clear plastic is heated and then formed over the 3D printed molds. A technician will then trim and lightly buff the formed clear aligners to remove sharp edges and make them patient-ready. The material used to produce clear aligners has passed the biocompatibility and mechanical property tests required. The entire process at DDH for clear aligner production has been reviewed and approved as medical devices through the KFDA.
Thank you very much for the very detailed explanation, Dr. Herb. So, a few other questions for you. What is the fundamental advantage of your technology compared to other dental labs?
Our AI solution learned data from Seoul National University Dental Hospital and provide accurate and real-time measurement analysis. It's not just a test, but provides accurate and consistent analysis. That's the greatest advantage of our solution.
Another question I have is, other than AI SEPRO software, do you also have some other softwares that you use?
We developed our own CAD software which can process scan data and automate the panorama digital solution as well. It can detect dental caries, periapical lesions, and periodontitis.
Dr. He, thank you very much for your time today.
Pleasure mine.
Yeah, it was very interesting discussion and very interesting to see your process. Hopefully I will see you again in a few weeks with straighter teeth.
How about tonight?
Thank
See you again. Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you.